I do gotta say, a lot of the people that said they didn't like it were white. I don't know, guys. I don't really like it too much. This looks fucking terrible. It just looks awful. All right, I'm gonna come back to you guys when I have my base on and we'll talk more. What's good, you guys? It's Baby Spice here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video that I'm super excited about. As always, going to be talking about the new Bomb Posse Mix and Match palette from Fenty Beauty, and we're also going to be talking about one of the lip glosses that I got. So if you guys want to see if the palette is brown skin girl approved, I definitely want you to continue watching. Before we get into the video, I do, however, want to invite you to subscribe to my channel, join the Spice Gang, become a Spice girl. We have a whole lot of fun over here. I create content on beauty, fashion, lifestyle in New York, for people that don't fit into your beauty mold. So you might be a woman of color, you might be specifically a dark-skinned woman of color, you might be, you know, a plus-size woman. You don't fit into the beauty mold, but you really don't care, and I'm gonna show you how to work it, girl. So that's what I make my content for. If that's something that you identify with, then definitely stick around and subscribe. I do also have social media. I will have that linked below. I do have Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. So if you do want to see me in other places, check me out on there. I do have a video coming up on this hair as well, you see that? But yeah, I just want to talk about this palette and tell you guys if it's, you know, chocolate girl approved. So let's just get right into it. I ended up getting 2 items from the collection. I got the Bomb Posse Mix and Match palette, and here is how it looks. Really nice packaging. Rihanna always does really well. It has the names and swatches on the back. Here is what she looks like. A very beautiful and neutral palette. So that's what really drew me towards it. I've been looking to like tone down my makeup and do something that's a little bit more classy, so I thought this would be perfect. And it does have a large mirror in there as well. So I want to go through and swatch the colors. I'm going to start out with the shimmers because that's what everyone loves. So the first one that I'm going to swatch is going to be Beverly Chills, and it looks like that. Okay, Beverly Chills. Then I'm gonna go into Hot Chocolate, which looks like this. Super pretty. I feel like my camera is washing out the color just a little bit. This is Fenty Glow, I think. Oh yeah, Fenty Glow. Fenty Glow. Then there's the one that I have on my lid right now, which is Bare Buns. Bare Buns. That's what I have on my lid right now. Love it. So pretty on the lid. And then there's like these 2 pinky shades, which is what I actually use in the video. Fussy. Oh, so pretty. These formulas are a little bit weird to work with on the pink one. And this is the other pink shade, which is Ballerina. So that's the shimmers. And then I guess I'll use this arm to do the mattes. This is like the dark brown shade. Love this. It's very neutral. It's not too warm, which is what I like about it. This is like the transition shade. I feel like I had something else on my finger because it looks shimmery. Transition. Another like deep brown. Well, neutral brown, medium brown. And then there's like some colors that I would honestly never use. These 3. 1, 2, 3. Maybe for like a lid color if I was going for a matte look. But I'm not even going to swatch those because I would never use those. But yeah, really enjoy the palette. I think that the looks came out really good. I like this lid color that I use better than the one that I did in my little tutorial or whatever. I did a pink look in my little tutorial. This is like a more neutral look. And then the gloss. I love the gloss, and we're just gonna jump right into the part where I'm actually like putting on the makeup and showing you guys applying the gloss. All right, so what's up, you guys? I'm starting off with a bare face. I just did my primer. I am getting ready to go on a date, but I did go ahead and pick up some new Fenty products today that Rihanna released. And oh, I'm using the Morphe eyebrow pencil right now, and I definitely want to show you guys how everything looks. I'm super excited about it. Honestly, my girl Jasmine Arendelle inspired me to go ahead and film today, because I was actually gonna end up putting it off since I am getting ready for a date. It's 8:24. I'm supposed to be at the date at 9. However, it is right down the street, so we're gonna try to keep this quick, but it's a super like neutral palette. And I've been really changing my makeup lately to just like more toned down. So when I saw the palette, I was like, I have to have it, because I've been wanting something that's just a more natural palette. And Fenty always comes through with the quality. I haven't gotten a Fenty palette, however, though, I haven't gotten a Fenty palette since the Galaxy palette, which was like, I think that was her first palette. I made that video literally ages ago. My eyebrows do not look alike at all. But yeah, that palette was ages ago. So I'm excited about this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I'll do my eyes first. So I'm gonna carve out my brows with my NARS concealer in the shade Amande, and just a little flat elf brush. But yeah, y'all, I'm getting ready to go on a date, so should be interesting. It's a Thursday, and I think Rihanna's stuff dropped. I want to say it dropped today, if not yesterday. I know I saw the lip glosses dropped yesterday, and I briefly looked online and noticed that the one shade that I wanted was out of stock. Although they did quickly restock it, because when I went and looked today, it was back in stock. But I actually work near Sephora, so I just went ahead and picked it up. So we've carved out the brow, and I like to use something that's a little more natural on the top. Now I'm gonna go in with like the synthetic-y type of flat brush and my Natasha Denona concealer, which is so bomb, and I'm gonna use that as my base for my eyeshadow. Love this concealer because it dries down matte very quickly, so you do have to work quickly with it, but it doesn't crease at all. I'm just gonna take that up to meet that other concealer that's a little bit more natural. So yeah, we got really 20 minutes to make this makeup look come together. So let's see if we can do it. Honestly, people in New York are always late, so we should be okay if we're a little bit late. Here's the goods. Really nice mirror. Super pretty palette. Okay, so I'm gonna grab like 4 different brushes. Honestly, you don't need this many brushes, but just for good measure. Morphe M618, Morphe M52. This is the blending, this is the packing on the shade. This is a more defined blend, Morphe M514, and then like a little tinier blending brush, which is Morphe 562. I'm gonna start off with a transition shade, of course. I think this is Nude Beach. I heard mixed reviews about this palette. I gotta say I used a friend's Fenty palette before that I really enjoyed. But I did not like the last palette that I bought from her, which was like the Galaxy palette, but that was like at the beginning of Fenty. So much has come out since then. This transition color is nice as hell. I do gotta say, a lot of the people that said they didn't like it were So, you know, they would obviously have a different opinion just because of like melanin and everything. So yeah, there was, the reviews that I saw were bad, definitely were from white people. So this transition shade is amazing so far. I think I'm gonna go in with another nude just to see how it is. This one's actually a little bit lighter. They're pretty similar. I think the other one had more like a reddish undertone. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this pink shimmer because I think it's pretty. And I don't know, there's two pink shimmers. There's Pussy and then there's Ballerina. Let's see which one. I think I want to do Pussy. Okay. I'm not mad at it. I feel like the color could pack on a little bit better. Ooh. It's a little patchy. I don't know if it's the brush. Usually this brush works fantastically. Not really the biggest fan of the texture of this. I feel like maybe if it had like a wet surface to go on, it would be a little better. I'm not necessarily a fan of wetting the brush, so I don't think I'm gonna do that because that never turns out good on me. I don't know, guys. I don't really like it too much. Not a fan too much of it. Okay, I think it definitely applies. It's just not fucking shimmery enough. Like, this is fucking up my time, Riri. Now this is fucking up my time. Oh my gosh, should I just commit to it at this point? I really don't like it. It's not sticking, and it's no color payoff really. Oh my god, I'm really disappointed in this shade. Okay, is that like creasing happening already? Oh god, I hate it. Okay, I definitely like the application more with the finger. Deepen up the crease. Go back with this. It's not awful, but it's not anything to call home about, truly, at all. Okay. I really do like the dark brown, but that can be found in any palette at this day and age. It's nice though. Okay, go back on with the finger, and like I can't really do this if I have on, typically I have on nails, and I really wouldn't even be able to go in with the daggone pink like this. This is the look that we're going. This looks fucking terrible. It just looks awful. All right, I'm gonna come back to you guys when I have my base on and we'll talk more. Okay, so it is 8:51, y'all, and I'm definitely gonna be late, obviously, but I got my base on. I have to say, now that I have this on, I do like the way that this looks a lot better. I gotta say, I do like the way that everything is looking. Review coming soon on the hair. Oh, whew, I got a little scared. Thought I had lost my lip gloss. My favorite part is the lip gloss. She released 3 different lip glosses. One in the original Fenty shade, which I already have, so I wasn't really interested. One in Fussy, which I did try on Fussy, but this one took the cake for me. The Hot Chocolate Heat. Oh my god, y'all. And it's a plumping lip gloss, and I have recently become like obsessed with the plumping lip glosses. I've been using the Too Faced plumping one. Oh, my baby hair. And I just love it. So I was like, yeah, definitely need that. Sorry, y'all. It's 8:57. I'm supposed to be at my date at 9. Hopefully I'm there by 9:15. Because I'm literally almost done. Okay. So here's what the gloss looks like. Super pretty. And this is the plumping formula like I talked about. I love a good plumping gloss. So I'm very excited about this. Straight up same like doe foot applicator. And here she is. Such a pretty neutral gloss. One that you don't even need to have a lip liner. Nothing. It's just gonna give. Oh, what? Oh, so pretty. And then once you start feeling that tingle, girl, I love it. I literally love it. So here is what everything looks like. Is my lash popping up? Oh, I can't. So here's what everything looks like. I'm really happy with the look of it. I'm gonna come back to you guys once I have my little outfit and everything on and show you guys the total finished look. Okay, so here is the all over finished look, guys. I think it looks pretty freaking cute, if I don't say so myself. Very natural, very Fenty vibes. I think I'm here for it. I think it's pretty cute. I'll show you guys my outfit. Top Forever 21. Just some black jeans from American Eagle. It's a rainy day, so I'm just gonna wear my Doc Martens and silver accessories. And yeah, guys, that's it. The palette, I actually really like this palette. Like I said, I've been trying to go for like more neutral makeup looks, so I really think this palette is a good staple. It's gonna do me well for the time that I have it and use it. So I really do like the palette, and I'm excited that I ended up getting it, and I think that you guys should get it if you're brown skin. I don't know about the other ladies because they was like they ain't like it, but like I said, they won't melanate it. So yeah, I enjoy the palette, love it, and definitely would recommend that you guys get it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Join the Spice Gang. Become a Spice Girl. You already know we have a whole lot of fun over here. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.